7 a.m. en route. Valves closed. Potion of life, check. Throwing the M3 behind us, check. Now currently we're on the way to a petrol station to meet up with a friend. He also has an M3. And then there's a cars and coffee / cars and breakfast event which we are going to. Before we need to hit the car wash because the car is dirty AF, I'm not gonna lie. And possibly we might hit some mountains after, since the mountains are pretty nearby, so we might as well. We got the mandatory hot dog stop. We are after the cars and coffee now. I'm not gonna lie, so many people, it was kind of overwhelming, but right now we're on the way to the mountains. We're gonna see how the roads are there. I was never there before. M3 looking as pretty as ever, which is really nice, so I'll probably see you when we get there. Voice over me. In this clip we are basically going up a very steep road. Let me explain the backstory. So basically I was looking for a place to take some photos, and one of my friends said he knew a spot. And let me tell you something, if a friend tells you he knows a spot, you better double check that spot, because if you don't, you are going to be going up a very bad high incline road and you will scrape more than once, making you feel pretty shitty. So always check whatever your friend says. So we decided to go up to the mountains, and we kind of ended up going up this really steep hill. Like, this is how steep it is. I don't want to look and see how scratched up the actual lips are. This one doesn't feel bad, but what we will see underneath is a different story. We were hoping to get some pics, but unfortunately we got rained out, as you can see. Alright boys, so there's a hidden feature in a BMW M3 you didn't know about, and it is whenever you turn your wheel to the left, let me show you, or to the right, just wait, there you go, it honks. So whenever you're going sideways, nobody's gonna come out onto your lane, because obviously they can hear you, you're going sideways. Yeah, kind of awkward, but gonna have to fix this in the middle of the road. Mechanic. I was just out on a POV drive, hopefully getting another video going. Hopefully it turned out fine. I've basically done like 2 or 3 goes of this, I guess, mountain climb. Yeah, it was raining, people aren't really driving, but I can already hear my bro in his M3, so let's kind of wait for him and get the nice shot for him. Some action. Not sure if you can hear this, but let me also get a phone out. Now he done the exhaust mod, so the car does sound definitely much better. Little driver on board, but yeah, I think we're gonna get some clips, just to have something to spice up the video for. Hopefully some of those clips were usable. Now it is turning absolutely pitch black. There was a thunderstorm earlier on, heavy downpour, wasn't able to film the POV content, so just before it starts pouring down again, I'm gonna go for the POV drive. So we have made it to Domino's, just waiting on 2 XXL pizzas. There's a nice deal going on, but the cars are just spectacularly dirty. And my one is even more dirty. So definitely before getting home, we're gonna hit the car wash. Now, whenever you have such amount of crap on your car, like so, it's best to clean it right away because it is going to get caked on, which isn't ideal. So we're gonna wait on the pizzas. There is a ambulance going. Actually, those are the cops, not coming after us though. Hopefully this video was kind of interesting because we got rained out and it was different to what I thought it was going to be like. So yeah, hopefully this video is alright. I've realized that I didn't record the ending, so here is the ending. Now I know that the video wasn't ideal, it was slightly overexposed, shaky, but I'm so stoked that I went out and tried to record this because I've learned so many new things. So hopefully I've enjoyed either way. We got to over 6k subs, which I'm super grateful for. You see a black screen now, but keep watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Hopefully you're having a great day. Hopefully the next week is going to be even better. And I will hopefully see you in my next video. Take care and to the next one.